Welcome to another learning session. In today's lesson, we focus on one of the most important growth goals for any YouTube creator, building a loyal subscriber base. Views are temporary, but loyal subscribers return, engage, and help your channel grow consistently. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to develop effective call-to-action strategies, implement audience retention techniques, and design content plans that motivate viewers to subscribe and keep coming back. Section 1. Converting viewers into subscribers through strong CTAs. A call to action should not be an afterthought. When delivered correctly, it increases subscription conversion significantly. Here are 3 proven CTA strategies. 1. Time-based CTAs. Place your subscription request after delivering a key value moment. When the audience has learned something useful or enjoyed a highlight, they are more willing to subscribe. For example, if this tip helped you, subscribe so you never miss an update. 2. Purpose-driven CTAs. Tell viewers exactly what they will gain by subscribing. Focus on their benefit, not your need. For example, subscribe to get weekly tools and strategies that boost your growth. 3. Interactive CTAs. Link the subscription request with engagement. Ask viewers to comment or participate in a challenge, then connect that action to subscribing. Your CTA should sound natural, specific, and confidently delivered. Avoid generic requests like "please subscribe." Show viewers why subscribing matters. Section 2. Audience retention techniques to keep subscribers engaged. Securing subscribers is only half of the goal. You must keep them interested. 3 retention techniques. 1. Deliver content consistency. Upload on the same days and time. Consistency creates anticipation. When viewers expect your videos, they return automatically. 2. Pattern-based video structure. Give viewers familiar video sections they can recognize. Introduction, main steps or lessons, call to action. Consistent structure keeps audience comfortable and reduces drop-off. 3. Direct viewer inclusion. Ask subscribers for opinions, suggestions, questions, or next video polls. When viewers feel involved, they stay connected. Remember, retention tells YouTube that your content is valuable, which helps your future videos reach more of your subscribers automatically. Section 3. Content strategies for return viewership. To build a loyal community, plan your content in a way that encourages viewers to come back. Strategy 1. Series-based content. Instead of unrelated videos, divide your topics into episodes or lessons. When viewers finish one, they want to see the next part. Strategy 2. Predictable themes. Use weekly content themes such as Tool Tuesday, Growth Strategy Friday, Live Q&A, a Saturday. Themes give your audience a reason to check your channel again. Strategy 3. Subscriber-only offers. Reward subscribers with exclusive tips in description, shout-outs on screen, special giveaways. This creates a sense of belonging and loyalty. Strategy 4. Community engagement system. Use YouTube's community features. Polls, posts, questions, and sneak peeks. These keep your audience engaged even between uploads. Section 4. Final takeaways. A loyal subscriber base is built by strategic CTAs, consistent retention tactics, and smart content planning. Your goal is not just to gain subscribers, but to create a community that trusts your value. Building a loyal audience takes patience and a clear strategy. Apply today's techniques to every video, and you will see major improvements. Our upcoming lesson reveals the real elements behind viral YouTube success. Thank you for watching!